Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Nadias Kitchen Vlogs USA. Today I'm here at Universal Studios Hollywood in Los Angeles, California, and I wanted to show you guys this very beautiful Hello Kitty store. But before I do, I just wanted to show you guys a little sneak peek of Halloween Horror Nights that I went to, and I will be uploading that video soon. But I just wanted to show you guys a quick little snippet of what it looks like, and we're gonna be getting straight into the Hello Kitty vlog, so let's get started. So I am inside this very beautiful Hello Kitty store. It's like an actual Hello Kitty store in Universal Studios, and I was on my way home because it was getting late, and then I just walked past this Hello Kitty store, and obviously you guys know me, I am a very big Hello Kitty fan, so I decided to go and visit because why not, So I did grab a couple of things from there. I did get a pillow, and this was so cute. I wish I had brought in my little brother Zane with me, but I didn't know exactly what he would like or what he would want, so I didn't necessarily get him anything. But inshallah, next time when I do go, I will get him something. And you guys know I have to pick something out. And here is the Hello Kitty store. It's so cute. It's so adorable. I love it. They have Hello Kitty, and then they have the frogs, and they have minions, and they have like all types of what is it called, the cartoon characters in it, and it's super cute. This is what I grabbed. Obviously you guys know me, I love Hello Kitty, and I am a super big fan. So I had already gotten one of the plushies, but I also wanted to get another one, so I had to get in line for that. And this was super cute. I was also tempted on getting this, but I had to stop myself because I have a lot of things, and I was just asking this worker where he would be able to help me out and where the line was. And so I'm just casually walking around the store because I need to see if there's anything that I like. A lot of people were getting the Hello Kitty pillows, and then this woman specifically was also carrying one, so I had to get one. And I also got one of this. So cute. I love it. Oh wait, no, I didn't get this one. I got the other one. I think it's in it. And then I just got in line, and I was waiting in line, but I decided to go check out a couple more items before I do get in line. What if I like something else, guys? Like, what if I like something else? So I just went on this side. This side was super cute. I had like a little bit of fogginess inside, and it was super cute. And then the pillow, guys. The pillow. I got the pillow, guys. I literally love the pillow. It's amazing. It's super cute. I literally have it with me right now. And then they had all of these things. I wish I would have brought Zen again. He would have really liked it, but I don't really know what he likes. And this is the Simpsons. They had a whole section of Simpsons, and they had a thing 1, thing 2. And I wanted to get these Simpsons shoes for Zane, but they didn't have the size. They only had it in adult. So yeah, these are super cute. I really like them. I think I should have gotten them for myself. Now I'm kind of regretting my decision of not getting them. And then there's thing 1, thing 2, and then the cat in the hat, Dr. Seuss, and they also had Kung Fu Panda. And they had this, I don't know what this is from because I've never watched this before, but they have Kung Fu Panda, guys. I love Kung Fu Panda, but they didn't have any cute merch for Kung Fu Panda, so I decided to skip on that. And then here's thing 1, thing 2, and I'm gonna get one for me and Zane and my older brother, thing 1, thing 2, thing 3, because that's just how we are. And then this was the candy section. Yeah, it's a super small store, but they do have a lot of variety in it. So here I am just showing you guys Kung Fu Panda, the burgers. I think it's a burger, and then it's a kitty. It was a black kitty. It was super cute. And then yeah, outside is just the Halloween Horror Nights happening, and then people are just getting in line and just getting everything that they like. And then here I am just showing you guys around again. I just took a whole tour of the store, and then I came back around to show you guys what I didn't show you guys previously. And yeah, and then here is some of the Minion collection, and then this is the Hello Kitty bow, super cute. So they have the Sanrio collection of Hello Kitty, and then yes, that's pretty much it, guys. And then they have these are super cute. I really had to stop myself because I have a lot of toys and just pillows and stuff, and my room is getting literally clustered. But that's it for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn the post notification bell on, and comment below if there's anything else that you would like to see. And if you guys enjoyed this video, and I shall see you guys in my next vlog, which I will be uploading soon, and it might be about Horror Nights. Allah Hafiz.